You're gonna need a size 13
What?
to take off each
Never do that. Never
cable.
The negative first.
You do the negative first and then the positive.
Negative first and then positive.
The other way, it's gonna blow it from place. If it ain't already messed up a system.
Get into the controller, so slide these up. I'm not sure if it's gonna take them out. It must be easy to get to without having to take them out. I need a size 5 head right there. There's 2 of them. One on the right side, one on the left side. That's gonna free the inside where the controller is at. Okay. Okay, that's the positive. Okay, not a 13. It's gonna be a 10 on those connectors.
Look at this color, red,
Yes.
black, blue.
Okay.
Okay. Red,
Red,
black, and blue.
blue. Okay, so you do the red first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you do black, and then you do blue. It's free.
Look at this.
Okay.
Black,
Okay.
negative.
That's the negative. Okay. Okay.
Red,
Positive.
positive.
Okay.
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 Left, black.
Okay.
Right, red.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Left black, right red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And always black first. Okay. So negative.
Déjame primero. ¿Lo vas a sacar? Sí.
He's gonna I wanna say he just needs to hold he's gonna hold that nut right there. Cause he's gonna unscrew it from the back. That's all he's gonna do. Just make sure he holds it in place. That's all he's doing. Holding that nut in place so that he can from the bottom. Okay, yeah, okay.
Voy.
Yeah, okay. That's what's on the inside.
Ahí está.
See.
Dale más. Ya.
The other one.
Yeah.
This is the bracket
No.
that the motor's being held on by.
Okay.
Okay. 2. 3.
It's 4.
That's 4. Okay. Okay.
Okay. This part is ready.
Okay. And it comes out.
It is glue, okay?
Okay. What's the glue do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is ready.
Okay.
Only need a new controller.
Okay. Under the controller.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. And that glue is there also. Okay.
It's ready.
Okay. Okay.
¿Más qué, pa?
Now we're going to put it back.
Sí, son buenas.
He's adamant about making sure the cords are placed back at the right time instead of just connecting all of them.
Okay. 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 2 holes up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. 3 holes bottom.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. These face down, those up.
First, insert this and this.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. 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 Before
Okay.
this,
The bottom ones.
here,
Okay.
this, here. Okay. You need this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Slow, okay?
Okay.
It's slow.
Not too tight.
Soft.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember not to over tight it. Do it softly. Pay attention to the turns the way you don't over.
Espérate, todavía no. ¿Ese vas a apretar?
Sí.
Espérate.
Very slowly.
Ready.